Good morning. Welcome to Daily Currency Update from the Currency Desk. Today, first of all, coming to the news updates. The Indian rupee traded weaker for the third straight session this week. This was mainly being attributed to strong demand for dollars by the importers, and this demand is usually seen towards the month end, so it is being attributed to the same. Also, there are news of some chemical company actually having large import payments due to which there was strong dollar buying in the markets. At the same time, yesterday the US jobless claims data came in lower than expected. Non-farm payroll data came in lower than expected, and based on that, we have increased speculation in the markets that the current quantitative easing program tapering is going to be delayed much further. So because of this, there was a strong rally in all the risk-on assets across the globe. Therefore, we saw the Asian equity markets trade higher in the morning session. We had the dollar reach a 3-month low versus the euro. Also, we saw dollar fall against all the other major currency pairs yesterday. We saw the US oil prices also fall below $100, that is around 98 levels, after quite some time. Again, this was being attributed to the weaker non-farm payrolls data and as well as strong supply of crude oil from the US economy. Again, we saw the US Treasury yields also falling, similar to the non-farm payroll data that was at a 15-month low, you can say. Again, another event to watch today is an auction of 120 billion rupees by the RBI. Now, these bonds are not of a huge value, but yes, they are going to indicate a tentative demand for the government bonds. So based on this, we could see what is the RBI's fundraising capacity in the near future. Again, in the offshore market, we saw the US dollar versus the Indian rupee trading slightly higher. There was not much movement, largely flat. The 1-month forward rate was quoting at 62.14, and again the 3 months forward NDF was quoting at 63.13. Again, we have seen slight fall in the US dollar index, which is currently trading at 79.22 levels and around 0.09% downside. You can see the trend in all the four currency pairs remains on the upside, and we could see further up movement in the near term. In all the four currency pairs, we could initiate a buy at current levels with a stop loss near the support levels mentioned here. At the same time, we can have a target kept near the resistance levels mentioned here. Again, 61.22 does remain a key support for the US dollar. So these levels are based on the October contract levels. Events to watch for today: we have the UK MPC official bank rate vote and as well as the asset purchase vote. So based on this, we could have an indication of what would be the monetary policy in the near term for the UK economy. Again, we have the US import price index, which is going to give an idea about the domestic demand, what is the domestic consumer sentiment and the demand there, based on which we could have some movement. It gives an indication about how strong the domestic economy is performing. We have the European Union consumer confidence data. Though this data is not much viewed by traders and does not give much movement, but still it would be worth seeing that how the consumer confidence is progressing in the Euro economy. Thank you.